Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add font in CapCut Android version. So before you open the CapCut, please open dafont.com on your browser. This is a library custom font that you can download for free. For example, you want to download the recently added fonts. You want to download this one, the Australian signature. You can download. Click download button. Downloading file downloaded. You can open the file with the archiver, so you can extract or decompress the file first. And this is the Australian signature old.otf. This is the decompressed file. Now open CapCut on your mobile phone. Open one of your projects that you want to add a new font. So this one, for example, you can tap add text at the bottom of your screen and then tap add text again. Here you can choose your fonts, and this one you can tap add plus. You can tap plus button to add a new font, and remember where your decompressed file located. You can use the archiver here and choose the fonts that you want. Here Australian signature is added. Here we go. You can enter the text now. It's Australian signature. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the button below. See you in the next video.